Good evening, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. This is a traditional Filipino New Year's. Melanie made us a massive, ginormous buffet, and more than we could eat in a week. There's more. There's more than this. We had this is half of what we had of bread. She cooked and cooked and cooked and cooked and cooked. And this is a traditional celebration. And we are about to break open a bubbly, and we'd like to say Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everybody. We are snowed in, though. We're supposed to get a total of 8 inches. I'll give you a glance outside. But we've been feasting. It doesn't even look like we've touched anything. We've been feasting. And it just turned New Year's, so we just wanted to share that with you. And we're going to break out the alcohol-free bubbly and celebrate in style. Well, guys, a lot has happened through the years. And 2018 was full of some ups and downs, but overall good, I'd say, Melanie? Yes?
Yes.
Look at, she's glowing in happiness. She's just so happy to have this. This is like, she keeps saying it's like Thanksgiving at New Year's, and this is how they do it. So, we'd like to bring in the new year, and with good blessings for you all. And I have a feeling that 2019 is going to be a good year. I just have a feeling, and there's a lot of things brewing out there in the background that looks like this is going to be a pretty awesome year. Michelle is getting bigger and smarter and stronger and pretty amazing. So we're going to have a fun time with her as well. She's sleeping right now, by the way, otherwise she'd be here with us.
Yeah.
But it's past her bedtime. I want to say Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
And to a good year to come. Well, we're going to continue on with the festivities. Melanie says her culture, her tradition for them is to stay up all night almost till the sun comes up. And I says, yeah, have fun. You can do that alone. I'm not a night person at all. But we got a movie rolling and we got food. We're going to try to eat a little bit more of this. Try to make it look like we put a dent in this.
And dog head.
No,
Anyway, I get that.
Yeah. There's no alcohol in this, right?
No.
Anyway, we'll see you moving forward here, and I'll keep the camera rolling and show you what we're doing every day, all the time out here in the homestead. Let me show you the snow, and that'll wrap it up for the night. The rest, we're just going to turn back around and finish our movie and enjoy some food. Talk to you later. We did have plans to go out. We were not going to be alone tonight, but we're not going anywhere. It's bad. We're snowed in, people. That's it. That's on top of the greenhouse, guys, and we got 8 full inches of snow. That's not that. I don't know if that shows up well on the camera, but I'll tell you what. We got what they said we were getting. Wow. Wow, we're stuck. We're snowed in. Well, tomorrow's going to be an adventure. Definitely going to be an adventure. So stay tuned for the exciting adventures of the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project 2019. Shoveling out and breaking free from the blizzard. Baby cat. Psst. Happy New Year, baby cat. She's the world famous baby cat. She's getting mellower in the last years, and she's getting calm. She even sits in my laps and purrs now, and she's really mellow. She doesn't growl as much as she always did. I think because I hand raised her as a baby.
Yeah.
They rebel from their parents at a certain age. The cats do. Well, guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Melanie's over looking at photos from Michelle earlier. Baby cat is bumping on the tripod. Baby cat is back to normal. There she is, rubbing on the tripod. Alright, talk to you later. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow the videos as we move forward into 2019.